Today we are going to be making a cute and thoughtful gift using our xTool M1 laser. Hi everyone, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and if you're new to my videos, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming craft tutorial videos. I've opened up Creative Space and I'm just going to drag my SVG file in, and it has kept all of its sizing, so I don't need to adjust the sizing, but some of my design is cut and some is engraved, so I need to change that. So I'm going to click on the outside of the heart, and that we want to cut. So I'm going to change that to cut, and then the words on the inside I want to engrave. So I'm going to click on engrave for those words. Now if I wanted to, I could come in here and add some more text. I've got my text box and I'm going to change the text to Paul and Katie, because that's me, my husband's name. Change the typeface, and I'm just going to scroll until I find something that I like, and then we can change that size. And I'm going to go back to my text box and make that 2 lines, and then I can move that into place. And then that's going to be an engrave as well. And now that we're ready to go, I'm going to flip the switch in the back of the machine and start it up. I'm going to open up my lid. And I'm going to take some of my triangle prisms and I'm going to put those into the machine, onto the floor or the base of the machine. And then I've got my 5x5 piece of walnut. So I'm going to put that in there on top of those triangular prisms. Shut my lid, and you'll see now in Creative Space, you can see exactly where that piece of wood is. So I'm going to highlight my entire design. I'm going to bring that over and put it on top of that piece of wood. Then I'm going to come over here to the sidebar and I'm going to select laser flat. Then for the raised height, I'm going to select triangular prisms. And for the user-defined material, I'm going to choose the walnut plywood. Select process, then framing, and then start. And now to start, I just hit this button on the front. We're all done cutting, so I'm going to open the lid and grab our cute little keychain here. Now to get them out, you can see it's cut all the way through. We just kind of have to push a little bit and out it comes. To clean these up, I'm just going to take a wet wipe and clean up some of that sap that came out when it was lasering. With a pair of needle nose pliers, I can push that little hole out. And then I have these little keychain pieces that I can put onto each side of my heart. I've got a large jump ring, and then the side with the key ring and the chain. We're just going to put that on there. And then with 2 pairs of jewelry pliers, we're going to twist the 2 ends together, just with our wrists. We're going to do the same thing for the other side. And there are both sides of our heart puzzle keychain. You can see that they fit together perfectly. Isn't that so cute? And it reads, "If I know what love is, it is because of you." I love this. It's such a great gift idea for Valentine's Day anniversary, or just because. If you want more fun craft tutorials, make sure to visit my website, thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting!